Okay, so good evening, guys. This is a video for Madhu's website. So the finance and mortgage solutions, and we do have the client feedback here as of June 1. So we need 6 panels, image files, and I see that of course we have those pictures here. 6 panels. I think these are the ones that we're gonna put in the 6 panels. However, as I was checking the other websites for finance and mortgage, that I noticed that obviously because Madhu said that the pictures should speak to the viewers. So since it's financing and mortgage for homes and yeah, car loans, um, it should immediately, even if you're not reading any text, the pictures would tell that this is a home loan. So just like this one, they're inside the house, they're putting money in a piggy bank, so probably saving up for the home. And this one is a door. And this girl is, of course, inside the house. So if you would check the other websites, same goes with this one. This is from UK. The man is inside the house reading a book and enjoying coffee. Here you would see a couple inside, most likely a living room or a bedroom, I'm not sure. But they're still inside the house. These two couples here, they're in the sofa, most likely a house too. And this one really, really nice. It says, "Bring your dreams home." So you would see a family lying down on the bed. So it's really inviting. It's talking to the viewers that hey, you want to have your own home. So I think that's what Madhu wants to be seen in the pictures. It has to reflect a home and how you're loving it inside the house, how you're loving, how you're gonna be loving your family in the house. So I went through different websites, and it's basically showing the same, the same, what they call that, probably motive of like this one, say family and the background of a house. This couple inside the living room, and then there's a house, and she's enjoying herself in the sofa as well. Mother and child enjoying themselves in the home as well. So I'm feeling that the pictures should speak to the viewers. That's why she was saying that it should be welcoming, it should feel comfortable, or something like that. So here, this is contrast. So if you look here, first home buyers, we have that on our checklist. First home buyers. So as you can see in this picture, where is that there? It's a couple moving in their house. There's unpacking the boxes, but they look really happy. And same goes here. They look happy. They look happy. So I think that should be where our pictures are coming from. Although they look happy too, but it doesn't show any sign of a house. So when you're looking at an ad, you'd be thinking, there are some ads that immediately would say that it's a toothpaste ad, or it's a home loan ad, right? So they're pretty happy. He has good teeth. So anyway, I hope you get what I mean. The lady here, of course, I think that the nationality is on point. But where they're standing, I think we can do better. So those are just my thoughts. In terms of the 6 panels, I was thinking because these are more rounded pictures. Too many tabs open. These are rounded pictures, so I'm thinking if it's gonna be in 6 panels, I'm looking at something like this one. Although there are only 3 panels here, but I'm looking at making them bigger, and then there's gonna be 6 of them. So it's gonna be like a tile rather than a round shape. So I don't know if you guys have the same vision as how I heard it from Madhu, or if I'm understanding it correctly. But yes, so that's the reason why I was thinking that we should look into other websites too, so we would have a better picture of how it should look like, and we can compile all of the good elements and put it on the website, because I understand that Madhu wants something that would have a wow factor. So that's it for this video. Thank you.